Good morning. Happy Sunday, everyone. You're quite a few of you probably are busy, either getting ready or getting ready to go somewhere. So I will make this short and sweet so that you can come back and maybe replay later. It's got nothing to do with this weekend, really. Um, we don't really celebrate it in this house. So as you can tell, we had our Thanksgiving dinner last weekend. It's just chicken and whatever, right? You can have it whenever you want. So today I'm actually going to get going on beef dip. And that's nothing against anything. Everyone can do, I'm fully happy with people wanting to celebrate today. It's just Vic and I. We're not really traditionalists when it comes to things like that. So that's all. No offense to anyone who does. Beef dipping today. That's what we're going to make. We enjoyed it a couple weekends ago when I made it for my team. So we're going to make it again with the other half of our beef, stewing beef here. I did what Pauline, who's director above me and that does, baking soda on it for half an hour and then rinse it all off. So just rinse it off, and then I'm going to go ahead and do mine. And yes, it says brown and stuff, and you can do it in your slow cooker and everything, but I don't like a lot of steps, so I do it my way and it works just fine. So beef dip, that's what's in, that's what it looks like in there. So it's onions, which by the way doesn't bother me in this, so yay for that. See, Epicure does an awesome job with that. Just because it's at the top usually means it's the heaviest. Organic tamarind powder, sea salt. There's a bit of organic cane sugar. There is inactive nutritional yeast, garlic, mushrooms, apple cider vinegar, black pepper, some herbs, and paprika. This one is a little saltier than our other dishes, so it's like this would be your main intake of salt if you're doing other things, so don't have a lot of it or watch what you're eating for the rest of the day. It has, of course, in here is some fiber, protein, and all that, and one sugar, one protein, one fiber in the package. All right, put it all on, and then you need 1.5 cups of water. All right. Mix it up. And now they give multiple directions here for, pressure cooker, saute pan, whatever kind of thing you do. So if you're doing a big piece of roast, you can just quickly brown it on a pan or brown it in your slow cooker or whatever. Or just an Instapot or whatever you want. And then just follow the instructions based on whatever gadget, instrument, cookware you're using. I am a traditionalist, I guess. Don't go for those things that very much. I will just go with our steamer. I will put it in the oven on 325 for about an hour. Mix it up, just give it a stir, try out how the meat is coming apart. If it's a cheaper cut, as per what we have here, it might take a little longer to have it shred, but the whole thing with the baking soda did not have that, so it should only take an hour, and that's what I'm going to try. So I will be back after an hour to show you how it goes, but that's it. Into the oven, and then I'll just put the timer on, and away we go. All right, so the rest of the week is happening. So first off, if you're coming over on Tuesday, we're going to try Côte de Bœuf. I might try one vegetarian version or something. I'll have a vegetarian version for anyone who can't have meat. We are going to make pancakes because this is actually what I'm going to be presenting on the live Zoom that's happening for the org across Canada and the US. I'll be making pancakes. So there'll be lots of pancakes for everyone to try. Also this week, we're going to have some tacos. And yeah, so there'll be a bunch of things we're going to try out on Tuesday night. And then because of that, it'll just decide what we're eating. And then Victor went and bought himself a humongous, because it's his birthday, by the way. Because today he just turned 50. Look at the size of this thing. So he's slowly defrosting it. Then we're going to marinate it for a bit and then have it. So that's the plan. I will tell you what we marinate it with when we get to that point. But that's his big birthday dinner, I guess, for the week. Also, because of his birthday, I made him a cake. And what I did, I'll show you the pictures of it later on, is it's a happy birthday cake with the new brownie mix in it. So literally I just made the two mixes like normal, and then would just dollop pieces of each, and then so the brownies kind of swirled all into it. And it's actually pretty good. I did do it in our new square steamer, or returning square steamer. For those of you who know what this is back, and that is to help you make your cakes and everything like that, which is awesome. So I'm glad it's back. But I did do it in the oven for about 40 minutes because of the two, because it was so thick and heavy. I was probably could do the microwave, but I knew tried and true that the oven would be good. So it's whatever you like to do. So there you go. That's it, really. Super short and sweet. Just what's going to be happening Tuesday night, the things we're going to make. I'll probably do some kind of ratatouille thing. I heard you can turn ratatouille into minestrone soup. So if you just follow the same instructions you did for the minestrone, you just use ratatouille instead. So I might try that sometime this week. Candied yams is actually perfect for mulling your apple cider or your cranberry juice or anything. I probably would just take like a teaspoon of it and put it into one of those tea bags or something and drop it in, or a tablespoon, depending on how much you were going to make. Well, I probably will do that as well for Tuesday night, so we have a drink to try. And then, of course, we have the dessert, so we'll have that, the new fudgy brownies. And so, yeah, the week's pretty set up for food, where this is going. So there we go. Super simple, super quick. That's it. And then just a heads up on what's happening. We still have our Just Like Julia collection. So it does come with the cote vin. It comes with the lemon garlic chicken. And it comes with, oh my God, I've forgotten. Wow. I'll show it to you later. I literally, it blanked on me. I'm like, I don't remember. Anyway, there's 3 packages that you get for that to help you with your French cooking, if that's something you want to give a try. You will notice that our spotlights for this month will all have one of our new seasonings in it. So you can give them a try based on which one ever you want grabs your attention, or you can just go grab whatever you want right now. So it's all up to you. The candied yams, which I said you can do so many different things with. I saw someone the other day use it for making their cranberry sauce, and use it to make carrot soup. Yeah, so candied yams doesn't just have to be for yams. It could be for so many things. And the ratatouille, same thing. I was thinking of making sweet potato soup with it. You can make, as I said, the minestrone. There's quite a few things you can do with that. And then, of course, the beef dip. So how awesome is that? Hello, Julie. So yeah, that's what the special is for this week. And what else? There's still, well, it's only the 8th, 7th. What day are we on? What day is it? I shoot. 8th. Of course it's the 8th because it's Victor's birthday. Duh. It's the 8th. So there's lots of time to have a cooking class this month, or an event, or have your own shopping link if you want to share it. You get a chance to get in on this month's special or November special. This month's special is our wand, our drink wand thing with 2 things that aren't in the catalog, which is the Dolce Vita and the pumpkin spice latte mix. So our 2 drinks with the spinning wand thing. That's what this month is. Next month is going to be our own cold pressed olive oil, which I covet so much. With bruschetta seasoning with it. So this one I love using, and I have another one stored away because it is yummy. Great for, I find, dipping, when you want to dip a little bread with some balsamic vinegar and some nice olive oil. This one's yummy for that. So that's November's. So there's lots of time for you to have a class or an event between now and then, to either or whichever one you want. And since you have 60 days, you've got lots of time to do all that. Also, there's still our special to join and become your own ambassador. It is a special for $24.95, so half off the access pass until the end, the 23rd, so now until the 23rd. And then something's coming after that, which it is for those who join between October 1st and 24th. So I guess you need to get in now. And be honest, get in now anyways, because the earlier you get in a month, the more of the month you have to hit your first milestone. And then after that, it's whatever you want it to be. You can ask anyone on my team. You're warm welcome to either go for it, become a leader, do it all the way up, or if you just want to be your own savvy ambassador or customer, aka get the discount based on what you love to buy anyways, why not jump in and get that? So you can reach out to me or any of my team members and see what it's all about. So there you go. Those are specials. That's what's in the oven. and have a happy Sunday. Hope you guys are having a wonderful time with your family or whatever it is that you are doing today. And take care. Thanks for jumping on, and don't forget to hit replay and feel free to ask any questions, of course, about any of the specials or any of our new seasonings. Seasonings, yes. If you have a particular question that you might have.